Running a pharmaceutical manufacturing business? Challenges will come along your way. Challenge of shortening the development time, reducing the cost of manufacturing, improving the process design, complying with GMP and other standards, and meeting the quality requirements. But so will opportunities. Opportunity to deliver drugs to market at an unprecedented speed, to boost profitability while creating a lasting competitive advantage, achieve higher efficiency and productivity levels, attain greater operational consistency and make continuous improvement, produce effective and safe drugs, and to do a whole lot more. It's all about perspective. Where some see challenges, we see opportunities. We are BatchMaster. We don't let the challenges throw your business off course, but help it seize the opportunities and forge ahead. BatchMaster ERP for pharmaceuticals. Simple yet powerful.